My people, Nigeria don't they go higher. Make it just be say now from Nigeria. Now they just discover the cure of coronavirus. I said one woman don't vex that year. Now she just discovered the cure of coronavirus. This woman, this woman vex. He said for what? What? Be sure. This time. Only me na ye yugbo, aye you toe. Aye ye key, aye to the shop, you know, aye this one, the bad you want they provoke. Now the woman vex. I beg, I want more first watcher. Oh yeah, essential.
Only me ameni na komo be gerevena. Na da ye yugbo, ayogo. Aye yeki, aye di churchi, aye mi jagbudu rejo etu gisto. One mi ami, e boy mo re mi asabore himonoria. E gore aya, e do media. E poma, wa mo re be poma, meno no dede na mi asabore himonoria. Corona virus. Megweze bo o hamai. Akimye sanorveni o atamale. Ge me no dede me wene mo no riare na sabore gbe lo gole na da mi egbe ki fo no riare ikumesa egbe ne ribe bo mi are ni mo na da mi aye vade na aye yugbo aye jogbo aye gudu re duaki e mo re ni me hi mo
go market no travel me wan be this odede I go fit cheat am.
Me odede, I go fit healer. This is sickness. When not they go farm, not they go anywhere, not they go market, not they go church. Make it bring am. Make I say I go healer. I get the medicine. Fine.
My people, you see how this woman just provoke. And when this woman they talk, now we boldness so like most of them be saying I don't understand the language. And they hear all language. Even China, they hear that. I hear what the woman talk. The woman say this sickness where they talk now. This coronavirus. She even try. Even though say na corona. Because the sickness na corona. She try part the one we say COVID for COVID for you understand? And another one still call them corruption virus. Another one still call them COVID-19 virus. But see Odede talk he say corona. He not even corona said. I would say that Colombia. No, corona. Yeah, coronavirus. The woman say because of this coronavirus, they don't they go farm, they don't they go market, they don't they go anywhere, they don't feel they go church. You know understand? You see where the woman just very the woman say, even this sickness, break the sickness. Say break I go heal them. I love that. She do it with boldness. Iye you see her? He said, bring her come. I beg you, You know, this thing now, whoa. Be careful. Because this coronavirus, many pastors don't pray put. It never go. Don't be say they don't get power. God see they wait for one thing. You get what God they wait for. Many pastors don't pray put. Many vaccine, no, you understand? But they get what God they wait for, where we never still do. But some part of the countries don't they do it. God and make everybody turn back to that. Yeah, hear me, try. Coronavirus, you not get respect to. I want maybe say, when I even first carrying this thing, go give am. When I go carry Baba, go give am. Aboki. Yeah. And according to her, na Ekpoma Edo State. You reach Edo State after Benin, just they go straight. Wow, Ekpoma. I did wanna ask him. She even say he want make the video reach those are where they hear the language. Mona make the video reach people. Won't get that. Even say, I beg. Mona carry her come Italy first. Mona carry her come Italy. Anything where she need, Mona provide her for her. After Italy, Mona carry her come Spain. Mona carry her come USA because USA now today don't get the highest. It don't. Yeah, now USA they don't become war between USA and coronavirus. Yeah, I give you hand. Nene, I give you hand. He talk, I said, now me the talker. You know, now so what about just first day come and now first day talker. Who you? Who born you? Who you? Where you for? You understand? Coronavirus don't suffer. And I suffer, you go suffer. I beg, Mona help me share the video. Make it reach everybody where it get her so that they'll get the contact of the woman. If not to communicate with the woman, if it be say not true to, you know, at the talk more. In every rumor there is an element of fact. Fact go always there. If it be say na rumors, but as they look at the rumors, truth fit come out from am. This man fit just prepare. Maybe na God want just use this one take bless the family. Maybe the woman don't suffer. You know, say because of one person, the whole world can change. And because of one person, everything can be wrong to many nations. So maybe God want use this thing take bless this woman. No, nobody know because me I can't question God. I don't think question God though. When I see the video, I was flabbergasted. As a talker. You understand? So I beg, Mona share and make it reach those people who say they get coronavirus. So that they will call the woman feel heal them. I beg my people, may we go to the next story. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me share out.